In a city known for its style, one local boutique is inviting shoppers to step behind the design table. Instead of picking a hat off the shelf, guests can create their very own. Fox 24's Emma Engel takes us inside the creative process and shows us how the custom experience is redefining retail in Charleston.
At Marsh and Magnolia, it's more than just hat shopping. It's a hands-on experience where guests design a custom felt or straw hat with a personal stylist, blending creativity, craftsmanship, and low-country charm. Since opening their doors in 2013, Adele Cisco, Aaron Engelberson, and Kristen Smoke have focused on building more than just a retail store, but a welcoming creative culture.
Aaron and Adele and I go on girls trips all the time, and we have wanted to do something forever together, similar to what we look for on our girls trip, which is experiences and things to make memories in the places you go. And so we had always thought about what can we bring to Charleston that would be a fun experience as well as a memory, but also a retail shopping experience because us girls love shopping.
Co-owner Kristen Smoke says what makes each hat truly special isn't just the material, it's the meaning behind it.
I would say the thing that I'm most proud about and the thing I love working here is our team and the culture that we've built, because that shines through in our experience with the customers. So we have so much fun. It's such a creative outlet for all of our stylists, and you just get to really have fun together and enjoy meeting new people and new customers and have a fun day.
Smoke says from the moment guests walk in, stylists guide them step by step through the custom design process.
So they can expect to be greeted by our stylist, and we take you from beginning to end. We help you kind of choose what hat you like. If you're looking for straw or felt, we have both of those. If you choose felt, we size you down to the 1/8 of an inch. It's super custom, super fun, and what we would do is pick your color and you come sit at our hat bar and we'll steam the hat. So through the steaming process, we will shape the crown, shape the brim, and then we get to have all sorts of fun with all of our accessories and building the hat to make it unique and custom to you.
From luxe beaver fur felt to structured straw styles, each design is made to fit the customer's personality and lifestyle.
My favorite hat, okay, so for felt is any of our luxe colors. They're really beautiful. They're a beaver fur felt, so they're super, super lightweight. I can wear them all year round, and I love to shape the crown and the brim on those. And that way it can be super specific to exactly what our customer wants. And then we can have fun with the shapes and all sorts of things. With the brim, you can do a really fun cowboy style, or you can do really more fashion forward, so it's kind of what you're looking to do. With our straw, it would be our drifter. It's a really structured hat, and I love it because I can wear it to the pool, to the beach, to brunch, all of the things.
Smoke even helped me design my own hat. I chose the beaver fur felt in the color linen, went with a teardrop crown, kept the brim a little longer for some added drama, and of course, added a few fun accessories. I think it turned out amazing. And the best part? A one-of-a-kind piece I designed myself. For more information, visit marshandmagnoliachs.com. I'm Emma Engel, Fox 24 News Now.